aliases for using apt much more faster. I'm on Debian SID with GNOME 48 here, and we start GNOME console, the newer terminal for GNOME, and here's the first alias I use, F, just showing system informations. It's fast fetch. You can look for existing aliases and show them by alias F. And then you see what is behind the alias. So F shows just very fast the system information with fast fetch. Fast fetch is a newer program similar to neofetch. Neofetch isn't maintained anymore, so since Debian Trixie, I think you should switch to fast fetch. And then I just grab the name suite from the new Debian sources. You know, until bookworm, it's normal to use sources.list, but you can it's coming with Debian Trixie, I think. You can modernize the sources to a new format, and then you get debian.sources in the sources list.d directory. I think when you full upgrade the system from bookworm to the Debian Trixie, when it's getting stable, you get an information from apt that you can modernize the sources, and I think it's the command sudo apt modernize. Yes, that's it. Modernize sources is the command. And then he reads out your old sources list and writes it in the new ones in the directory sources.list.d. So just this, by the way. I show you quick more aliases. I also have an alias D just to clean the screen and show me the disk usage. I love it. And also C is an alias, just clear the screen and show me the uptime. So I see the load average, I see the uptime and the time. I like this, and F is all the informations. It's great. So I also have capital C just to clear the screen. So now apt, I have grep apt.bash aliases, just showing you all the aliases I use with apt. Here's the beginning. apt is just sudo apt install. apt nr is no install recommends. So normally apt installs always the recommended packages also. You have the dependency that's getting always installed, and you have the suggestions. This is the very less important, I think. And the recommendations normally are getting installed, and I like to have very small systems, especially in the virtualization machine, and so mostly I use no install commands. apt also puts out what it would recommend to install, and so I can decide in every installing if I want to install one of the recommendations. So now apt up is the alias just to sudo apt update, and then you see and this sign is executes the command afterwards if the first command is executed successfully. So, and apt list, word list, is my own creation. It's just counting the installed packages. Here you see this alias, that is this one. Sudo apt list minus minus installed, dump the error output to dev null, so I don't see this. Pipe it to word count minus list, so it counts the list, the lines. So I get and write it to home dot apt list word list, and then just echo packages double point and read out the number that is written in apt list word list. So I like it because I have always a good idea how many packages are installed. And I put this alias applist wordlist at the end of my update and upgrade aliases. So you see here applist wordlist is here when I update, and you see here update upgrade applist wordlist, and just by update also. So I always see how many packages are installed. And also I have a apt-c command for clean where I auto purge all unneeded packages and then clean the cache from apt, and then it shows me just the installed packages. So that's it. So I have install and install no recommends. I update the package lists, and here's the normal upgrade. And here's my main used alias apt-took, where I have all the commands in one line to get a full upgraded system and get cleaned the cache and so on. It updates the package list, then I get a full upgrade, then it auto purchases all packages that don't need it, and then it cleans the cache, and it shows me how many packages I installed, and then I get a when all the commands are successful. This is the echo successful update auto purge cleaned. So, and apt pa is also great. This is I love this also because I can remove packages, and he also shows me directly which packages would be purged from the system that are not needed anymore. So I mostly use this alias for removing packages, and apt-p is to delete only one specific program or package, and don't delete all unneeded packages in the same time. But I put a sudo apt auto purge before, so it auto purged all don't needed packages before, but then I gave him a package afterwards, and he only purchased this package and not all other packages. So I could show you the difference later. So you see here apt list, sudo apt list install shows the installed packages, apt list u list all upgradable packages, all packages that can be upgraded. Apt list all shows me all available packages. So apt s is apt show, so I can show all informations from one or more packages to get an overview of the informations to the package. Apt mark is to hold and unhold packages to mark them as manually installed or automatically installed, and then also sudo apt-cache policy to show all the um, um, to show the available versions of a package. Yeah, I can show later. And then also I have apt-log. Apt-log I use just to show the log of unattended upgrades. I like and love to install and use unattended upgrades to get a full automated system that installs the updates just in the background, and I don't have to do it manually. So, and with this command I just can look up very fast for the last upgrades. Are they running? Was it successful? What is updated? And so on. So this is just a short overview over my aliases, and I can give you an example. Apt list I use the most time. For example, I can show apt list GNOME and star show all installed packages with GNOME, and then I can it's not so many, and I can use it. I can Chromium, not installed. Firefox, not installed. Epiphany browser, yeah, Epiphany browser. And what is this is I can just look very fast which packages I installed. And for example, I see Epiphany browser is installed, and then I want to see, okay, please show me do I have Firefox available in the package repositories. And then it is recommended to learn also in the console the switching fast in the command line. So I have a command here, I can type left and right, but also I can jump with CTRL A to the beginning and CTRL E to the end. And then you can also CTRL left arrow to switch one word, and left CTRL right arrow to switch one word to the right. And so you can move very fast in the command line here. So, and this is how I use the aliases. I don't have to I list the package before, and then I want more information about the package. Normally I have to normally I do sudo apt list minus minus installed. This is a long command for apt list. So, and when I see no output, I want to look up what is available, so I have to delete the whole word installed, and then you see all the packages. So but when I use it with my alias, I just jump this one, delete nothing, and append and add the A, and then I have it. So it's much more faster, And also I do Firefox. So you see Firefox is in unstable available, and also it's very fast to jump. I'm do it bigger. Here, delete this, type S, and I get all the informations of the package. very, very fast, you know. Normally, I have sudo apt list Firefox, then I have to, with ctl, ctrl, and w, you can delete the word before the cursor. So that's it. You know, normally I have to delete show and I have to delete a list and type show. It's very long. So you understand, it's very more faster to jump here, delete LA, type S, enter, and I just show. Sudo apt show. Okay? And also I can jump here and type poll. This is, you know what it is? Sudo apt minus cage policy. You know, it's so slow to type all this stuff, and with my alias I'm much faster. So, and this way I can work so much, so fast. It's amazing, you know. For example, now I can for install, and now look, this is the normal alias to install, sudo apt install, and Mark, look up the packages what it would be installing. I type n, and now I get my alias for no recommend, sudo apt install minus no minus install minus recommends, and we will see he would install only 2 packages now. So this is how I use my alias, and I don't have to type all the long, by the way, ctrl plus k deletes all the other words and characters after the cursor. So type to the beginning alias, you see this is the alias apt nr sudo apt no install recommends. You know, that's it. So this I show you update, and then he shows how many packages are installed. So then I can apt c is my clean command. He cleans the cage and shows how many packages are installed, and he auto removes all unneeded packages. So also the alias apt pa is sudo apt auto purge, and now I just can type a program I don't want to have installed anymore. For example, GNOME music. Try it out. GNOME minus music. And now you see these packages he would delete directly. And you know, there's a difference between sudo apt remove and sudo apt purge. And purging is that he also delete all the system configuration of the program. Okay, so I use purge in general mostly of the time. And you see, he auto purge is he deletes the package, and he directly deletes all dependencies that are no longer needed from this packages. So I show you the difference when I would do apt p. This is sudo apt auto purge, and when successful, sudo apt purge. It's just sudo apt purge, and you know, he is deleting only GNOME music, and the dependencies he shows these packages are automated installed and no longer no longer needed. so I cannot sudo apt auto remove manually. So this is a difference. I can use apt p or pa. So I mostly do apt pa, for example, because I want to delete all the programs directly. Okay. So, for example, I make a new install and I have many packages. I just do sudo apt auto purge LibreOffice to dump all the LibreOffice stuff complete from the system. And this is just apt PA, and so fast. It's so fast. I like it. Okay, I think that's it. Just grab apt.bash aliases, and apt log. I wanted to show apt log and also apt m. Apt m is usually sudo apt apt minus mark minus help. You see here the options you can use with sudo apt mark. You can mark a package that it is auto installed, so when it's no longer needed, you remove it automatically when you execute sudo apt auto purge or auto remove. And manually means this package would not be automatically removed, even it is no longer needed for another package. So you can set up the status of a package. Yeah? And also when you want to hold a package, that means hold one package in the version that is already installed, so it don't get an update and it's don't getting deleted and so on. And also you can unhold this, and I can also show hold. For example, apt m is sudo apt minus mark, and then I do show hold. I don't have a holded package yet, but I show you apt m hold epiphany minus browser. For example, this package is set to hold now. Show hold, this is this. And then I do an unhold. It's the marking is deleted. Show hold, you see this. This is apt m. So, and also I can do delete this and do this. And then I have the information of the package. I do this, have the whole information to the packet. And this is how it works with my aliases. I like it. It's absolutely great. Very fast. So don't use Debian Sid when you don't know what you are doing. It's a developer environment. But I wanted to show you the aliases, and maybe something is new here and you learned a few things. Have fun.